Hello, everyone. My name is Terry Durkin, and I serve as one of the academic advisors who works with students in the Excel program here at Marian. Specifically, I work with students who have last names with the letters A through J. So my colleague and I are here today to tell you just a little bit more about our program.
Hi, I'm Sue Furbringer. I'm Director and Academic Advisor in the program, and I work with students whose last name starts with K through Z. Our goal is to help you find success as you begin your college career at Marian. Excel is a one-year support program that provides guidance through regular meetings and gives us a chance to review courses with you, progress, study skills, academic support resources, and more. We welcome students into our office area anytime for studying and offer academic workshops on relevant topics.
So while you've been admitted to Marian through the Excel program, you're definitely still able to pursue your academic interests from day one. So using the information that you've shared along the way, we've developed a class schedule that aligns with your major of interest. But don't worry if you're still exploring and haven't decided on a specific major yet, that's absolutely something we can help with also.
We seek to work together to help you have successful completion of the Excel program. The requirements for that are outlined in our accompanying PowerPoint. But when you do that, it means that you'll transition to working directly with folks in your chosen major. So we're always happy to have you come back and visit us.
Yeah, and so one of our favorite parts about Excel is our Summer Bridge program. So it's a mandatory component of your admission, and it provides you with an opportunity to become familiar with campus, learn about resources, meet other students. It's an on-campus pre-orientation, and the program runs specific dates of August 26th through 28th this coming summer. So we're going to ask you to mark your calendars now with those dates, and then watch for more information to come your way.
After summer bridge and we transition into the regular semester, we also like to make sure we have some time to have a little fun within our office. So we try to host game days and provide snacks, and that just lets you as students to have a few different fun breaks during the week. You will find our contact information in the accompanying PowerPoint, so please don't hesitate to reach out with any questions along the way. We look forward to meeting you soon.
Thanks.